Sometimes the beauty of nature can become a real threat. One single storm, one weakened tree, and everything you've built could be at risk. That's when we step in, not just to cut trees, but to protect homes, families, and neighborhoods. At Reyes Tree Green Works, every project begins with one purpose: to keep our communities safe while respecting nature. Our team is trained to handle even the most dangerous situations: massive trees, tight spaces, unpredictable weather, all with precision, safety, and care. We look beyond the branches. We see people, homes, and the stories behind every property. Because our work isn't just about tree removal, it's about restoring peace of mind and giving harmony back to every space we touch. We're proud to serve St. Louis and surrounding areas, protecting homes and shaping landscapes with integrity, safety, and heart. Reyes Tree Green Works, where safety meets nature.